Okay, this video, we recorded it, but we recorded it on my PS Vita, so now we have to just record the recording on my iPod. Okay.
Okay, we made a drink, a disgusting one. Here it is. In it, we put lemon juice, cinnamon hearts, celery, corn, Tic Tacs, Smarties. Am I missing anything? Mint. Oh yeah, we put a mint in it. Did you say corn? Yeah, I already said corn. We put in a cinnamon heart. Five cinnamon hearts. And yeah, it'll be disgusting.
And a 3DS.
No, we're not putting in 3DS. Okay.
No, I really don't want to ruin it.
And Ben here is gonna drink it.
Not all of it, just I'm taking a sip and get off the toilet.
Why? Oh yeah.
And
I should probably open it.
show this to the viewers, look what it looks like, guys.
Ew, look at the Smartie. It's white.
I'm missing guys if I can't put it on my friggin'
YouTube.
YouTube for my 3DS.
That's why we're doing this video.
Okay, you gotta drink this.
Not all of it. I'm gonna take one sip.
2 sips.
I'll take it.
I just fell in the toilet.
Stop laughing. It's like the cinnamon challenge. My brother starts laughing. I'm like, stop. Oh my god, there's corn.
Did you taste the cinnamon heart? Oh, I can't now.
That looks funny.
Do you want to puke? No.
What? That looks really funny on my 3DS.
You know what? You should try to puke. You would get way more hits if you puke. No.
He didn't puke
Okay, just make sure.
yet.
I'm having shots of water.
Yeah.
Watch this.
Okay, are you done? Okay. Bye-bye.
That's the video.